Hi guys, welcome back to Verona's TV. And today we're gonna do the Coke challenge.
With Mentos.
Yep, we're gonna do it with Mentos.
Oh, we're gonna do it we're gonna do it 2 times. One with Diet Coke
Yeah,
and one with regular Coke.
Yeah, because we're doing so we're gonna stand back you guys are gonna watch.
And make sure it doesn't get on us. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so.
Open it up. And Daddy's gonna try to put all these in at the same time.
Yeah, so guys, one thing. If you wanna do this, you actually can't in the house because it might be too messy.
Be messy and sticky and wet. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
You ready, camera person?
Ready.
All right. Ready, Charlie? Watch out.
He said ready. I'm standing up.
Let's see if I can get these in all at once. Whoop.
Weak sauce.
Oh, that was weak.
Okay. We got some more Mentos, so I think I'm gonna put them
Yeah,
in.
put them all in. Wah, wah.
We're gonna do a second, you guys, so.
Do I stop videoing or keep recording?
Yeah, you have to keep recording. We have
Keep
another
recording.
one. So,
Make sure you spray.
this one's next. I'm gonna sit where the other one was. I can't open it.
I'll get it.
Can I put the Mentos in?
Whoop. Yeah, you want to try to put them in?
Yeah.
All right.
Give me some Mentos. Give me some
I
Mentos.
will stand behind it so the camera can get you.
Hey guys, I'm gonna put the Mentos in.
Now let's try to put them in together. Yeah, you put yours in first. Up. Whoa!
There you
You
go.
guys didn't go fast enough.
Well, I think Chris's use of baking soda was probably a better idea. That way you can disperse the Mentos quicker. Or disperse whatever reaction there is.
Okay. I think,
So there you go, pro tip, use baking soda, not Mentos.
yeah, so. More.
Anything you want to say before we cut?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna do another video after this. Okay, so, bye guys.